Das, Mr. Devendra Kumar Das.
Yes.
Welcome. Kindly give your brief introduction.
My name is Devendra Kumar Das. I belong to Narayangarh district, Odisha. I have completed my BTech in the year 2011 from BPUT. And my hobbies is watching mythological serials and epics. Mythological serials. And I would like to tell you about my family. My father is an ex-army and mother is homemaker.
BTech in which stream?
I am completed in mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering.
Yes.
After doing mechanical engineering, you want to bank time. And what will your technical qualification will be used to bank?
Sir, as I am technically sound, I am learned different computer applications in my BTech career. And in mechanical engineering, and I have
Mechanical also they teach you computer?
Yes, sir. There are these 2 semesters. That is, one is basic computer skills, that is internet and what is computer and what is the parts of the computer. And in the second semester, that is C programming, DBBM. That is the chapters. That two papers are there. And in mechanical engineering, I have studied different types of machines, I think, which will help me in regional rural banks.
How you define a machine?
Machine is a certain device which can reduce the human effort. That is, a machine is human effort.
You opted for a job in bank. I think you must have studied about something, recent developments in bank, recent crisis in bank.
Yes,
What
sir.
are the recent crisis? Indian banks.
In Indian bank, there is lots of number of NPA rises in the Indian banks. That's why yesterday I have read in newspaper that is Bank of India net profit is less and NPA rises, and IOB also net profit is less. Yesterday I have read.
What is this NPA?
Excuse me, sorry, sir.
What is this concept of NPA?
NPA means bank has assets. That is when a person takes loans from the bank, that is that person takes the asset of the bank, and bank has the
person takes asset of the bank.
Yes, sir. That is,
Okay.
then the bank has the means bank has the provision to bank want to receive some interest and immediately payment of the loan as the due date from the customer. Bank seeks that thing. But when the person delays that and the asset of the bank which given to the customer is not performing and do not give some return to the bank, then it becomes not performing means, and that is the person who takes.
Suppose you have given a loan for a cow.
Yes, sir.
Asset is not, the cow is not giving milk, then it is not performing.
No, sir. That is the amount loan is given to the person. That is the person buy the cow, and the cow is giving milk or not. That is the person did not pay the loan to the bank. That's why the bank that it becomes NPA after 90 days.
And what?
90 days of the consortium period.
Consortium period.
Yes, sir.
What is this
Consortium period means when a certain person takes loans from the bank, that is the means bank has give some certain period to repay the loan. That is called consortium period.
It's a moratorium, not consortium.
Sorry, sir.
That is called a moratorium period, not consortium.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Moratorium. Consortium is different. What is the consortium?
Sir, I can't remind. Now.
Consortium is something else. When there is a big amount of loan to be given to some corporate, few banks put together that put the money. That is
The
the
combined effort.
combined revenue.
Yes.
That is the concept. Okay, when we give some time for it, suppose, have you availed a loan for education?
No, sir.
Education loan.
No, sir.
Suppose you are availed education loan for period of your study, and there is a reasonable period again given for getting a job, say 6 months,
That is
maximum
some
1
time.
year. That period, say 4 years you BTech plus 1 year maximum we give.
Okay.
That 5 years period is taken as
More time period. Thank
a
you.
holiday period. We call it holiday period also.
Okay, sir.
And holiday period also sometimes is different interest has to be paid. Even if instrument is not expected, interest has to be paid. In education loans, we usually stipulate interest to be paid
Okay, sir.
during moratorium. So when that payment doesn't come to the bank from the due date,
Yes, sir.
within 90 days, the account will be called
Non-performing.
non-performing. It is not performing. Not performing means the interest is not coming. The
Okay.
installment is not coming
Okay, sir.
after due date.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
So it is not
Performing.
consortium, it is
Moratorium period.
moratorium or holiday period.
Yes.
It's a holiday period. Don't remember a big word, moratorium. After holiday. On the due date. Don't take holiday period. If you say due date, it is enough. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Either the interest or the principal, it is not served within 90 days. Then the accounts will be paid. What is the impact of NPA?
Sir, excuse me.
What is the impact of NPA on bank?
Impact of
What happens if account is turned NPA?
If NPA rises, that is the bank has
Rise to forget it. Suppose one account becomes NPA, what happens?
that is the bank. If the person has some mortgage to the bank, then the bank can seize their property according to the
How it
surface.
affects the bank? Suppose one account, 5 lakh rupees loan is given, it is instrument or interest is not paid within 90 days, it is treated as NPA. Okay. After treating the account as NPA, what impact on the bank's finances? Bank to call also will.
Sorry, sir, I can't say. Sorry, I can't say.
Bank can inflict problem will occur. It is a loan, it has to be paid. If not paid today, tomorrow it can be paid. If it is not paid today, tomorrow we can realize it from securities. Why it is a problem? NPA in two ways it affects the bank. First thing, once the account is NPA, say for 10,000 rupees instrument, it is not paid within 90 days, and total outstanding is say 5 lakhs, the entire 5 lakhs will be treated as non-performing, and you cannot keep interest on that. Further interest cannot be booked. Plus, on the entire outstanding of 5 lakhs or whatever it is, there will be provision depending upon the period of payment. So, account is not earning any interest. Further, from whatever interest we have earned from other assets, we have to provide for that account. So, it is acting as a double-edged sword. It affects the profitability in both the ways. It is not earning anything. For that, we are giving a provision from other assets. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So, that is the reason why profitability is drastically affected. And that is the reason why NP is a big problem and big burden on the banks. For not recovering, not able to recover 10,000 rupees of its payment, you have to provide 5 lakhs rupees, and further interest you cannot develop. Okay. What is the role function of Reserve Bank?
The function of the Reserve Bank is to the last resort of the government, and it can
What last?
last resort of the banks, that is commercial banks. That is when the commercial banks have some financial crisis and they don't get money from any other sources, then they can borrow from the RBI. So it is called last resort of the bank. And Reserve Bank is also called the bankers bank, That is the all the commercial banks accounts are there on the Reserve Bank of India. And Reserve Bank also called the bankers to the government. That is all the financial activity of the government that is done by the RBI on behalf of the government, Indian government. And it has also different activity, that is it also provides currency. It has the power to provide currency, and it also it also controls the financial stability of the in India. And it also then